morning, guys. It's Wednesday. I am going to be making breakfast this morning, so stay tuned. And don't mind my shirt, I haven't changed it. Brielle has been teething, and right now she is enjoying a popsicle because it helps her teeth. Oh shit. She's letting you guys know that it's very yummy. She has been teething and she has a runny nose, but my kid likes popsicles. Guys, it's not just any popsicle. It is breast milk popsicles. Diles. Diles. I'm still in the same PJs because Mommy and I are very cold. All gone. All I want for Christmas is you. So Bria was here eating some puffs because she decided to make a mess with that. But she's here while I'm making cupcakes. Yum. Yum. Bria said if Puffs Gerbert can sponsor her. Here you go. Thank you. Sponsor me, please. Diles. Sponsor me, please. When your kid knows what to do when she's sick. Abre la boca. Thank you. Abre la boca. No quiere saber cómo se sienta. Yo una vez lo hice. Y entre los tres, y me estaba temblando mucho yo.
¿Esta también?
No, esa se le iba a poner toda limpia.
¿Quieres te la caliento?
No, así como está ahorita. Ya más harta para dormir.
Antes te caliento, te agarro para bañarte.
¿Quién?
Banque. Se calienta la toalla, se calienta todo. Chicle.
Bria, what are you looking?
Por ahí tienes un
What are you
chicle.
looking at? Bria, what are you looking at?
No es lo mismo.
She's looking at her bird friend. Okay, you want the bird? You want the bird? Here, grab it. I went to the store and I forgot to vlog, but I am gonna make lasagna for the first time. But I didn't find ricotta cheese, so I'm gonna make it my way. So stay tuned for my lasagna. I just put it in, but I forgot to take a picture of it. 3, 2, 1. Taj. Bong, bong, bong.
No.
A ver su hueso.
No.
Usted me dijo que su hueso de pollo, a ver.
No, sácaselo allá, parece.
Mira lo que se está comiendo el suegro. Un huesote.
Ay, ay, ay.
Esa allí porque
Sí lo voy a
chica.
Where's that
Take a bite.
hold it.
Hermosa.
Hot.
I'm sorry, I just want to...
Ay, mi mochila es preciosa. Mi mochila es
Tell me about
corazón. Okay.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Alrighty guys, this is the end of my video for today. I am very full from the lasagna I made. I am ready to take a nap. It's one of those meals where you eat and after you're so full that you're ready to take a nap. I just want to say thank you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, watch, comment. Giveaway coming soon, and it's not no little thing, it's something cool. Like, it's gonna be cool, it's gonna be legit. So make sure I keep getting those subscribers, because at 50 I'm gonna be doing a giveaway.